Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload your site logo and site icon. It is fairly easy, so let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Then, on the left-hand side, under Appearance, click Customize. On the next window, you need to click Site Identity. From here, you will be able to upload your logo and site icon. For logo, click Select Logo. And from here, under the media library, you can use any image as your site logo. Alternatively, you can upload an image as your site logo by clicking Upload File. Then click Select Files. And then you will be able to select an image from your local machine and then select it and click Open. Then click Select, and on the next window it will allow you to crop the image by dragging it from horizontally and vertically. But for this example, we do not need to crop it, so we will just hit Skip Cropping. And we're done with uploading our new logo. And you can do the same for the site icon by clicking Select Site Icon, and it will allow you to upload an image as your site icon. But it is recommended that you will upload an site icon that is at least 512 pixel width and 512 pixel height, and that is the recommended size. And that's all for today. Oh, don't forget to click the Publish button here once you make any changes in the customizer to save the changes in the database. So, thanks for watching.